Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. To the committee, I say thank you very much for accepting my paper to present in the first international virtual seminar on endangered language and linguistics. The seminar is held by USU. I'm Kamsina from Hasanuddin University. Yeah, and my title, the title of my paper is Bugis language shift among teenagers. This paper is written by me and my colleague Ainon Fatimah. Yeah, let us come to the introduction. So, as we know that the most speaker in Indonesia are the first Javanese, followed by Sundanese, Maduranese, Batavia language, and then the fifth Buginese. Yeah. Why? If you see that Buginese is the most speaker in Indonesia, but it is said to be the language which is endangered. So this to Crystal, yeah, a language is said to be endangered when the children in the community are being spoken to in a language other than of their parents. Then the children might understand their parents' language, but will unable to speak it fluently. So in such condition, the language is then lost to their children. Next. Well, this study or this research is based or from Egid's levels theory, which says that the level 1 is international, and then the first national, the second regional, third trade, and 4 educational, and then 5 is written, and then number 6 consists of 2 XA figures, and then 6B is threatened, and then number 7 here I mark it as red mark, yeah. So this 7, which means shifting, and so on. Okay. Yeah. So the research objective is 1, to describe Buginese words that teenagers are starting to forget, and then number 2, to explain parents' language attitude. To explain parents' attitude to their parent attitude toward their children, use of their Buginese in daily activities. Next, this research used the method as follows. Method. So this research is a qualitative research. Yeah, so we use a qualitative method, and then the population actually of this research is students from university, university students. In this case, come from Hasanuddin University, and then I use questionnaire method by random sampling, yeah. And as you see here, in the method, I use Lewis and Simon Egits. Yeah, so it is Egits means extra. How do you call it? Yeah, expanded. Yeah, expanded gradient intergenerational disruption scale. So it is a tool that is used to measure the status of a language in terms of endangerment or development. So that's about the method I use. And then the result of my study is, I divide into 3 types. So words, Buginese words, in this case, consist of single words such as tabe, ina, pangedereng, mati, and so on. And then the second type, or type 2, is a type which is consists of 2 words. For instance, or it is a compound word, mate risantangi, tautongeng, patola palalo. And then the third type is it is an expression, or could also be a wise word. So resupa temangingi malomo nalite pamasya diwata. The next siri napace taro ada tarogau lele bulu telele abiasang saliweng langi lalo. So all of them, so they are the result of one. That means which concerning about the words, Buginese words, which is starting to forget by teenagers. And the second one is Bugis parents know Buginese and use it with their age, but do not try to let their children know and use it in their everyday life. I think that's all, and thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.